Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today in this tutorial I'm going to share my drafting paper with you. Now in my all my tutorials you see me guys using drafting paper, and I always promise to get the sizing for you of these paper that I am using. Now today I decided to share the right size of this drafting paper with you guys because I always can't find the right size in my video. So I will share it with you tonight, the type of paper I use to do my drafting and why I use this paper. Now I have, this is the first one I have here. What you see me here now, this is a very big sheet of paper. I'm gonna measure the size for you and everything. This is a laser printing paper. This is what they use to print plan on, or any project you have, they use this paper for print. Now this paper is 500 sheet in this package that I have here, and this is a A3 paper that I have here. This whole pack of paper is A3 and it's whole 500 sheets of paper. It come in this nice white packet, and as you guys can see, my own tier. So I have two packets of this paper that my husband purchased for me, and I really happy that he purchased this paper because this paper saved me a lot of time and it saved me a lot of wastage. So that's why you see I would use more of this paper. You would see me using in my pattern drafting, and I prefer to join this paper together to make whatever size I want. Now this paper here is 11 and a half. The size is 11 and a half by 16 and a half. Right, so this is the biggest size paper I ever purchased for drafting. You can have bigger, but I just choose this size because it saved me a lot of wastage on this paper. And the reason I use this paper is that you guys can see all what I am doing on the pattern. Now using the bigger sheet of paper, you can't see the whole table, you will just see a part. So that's why I choose these small size paper so that you guys can see what I am doing. Now if I want to do a full size pattern on this paper, I would join two paper together or three paper together, and I would do my full size pattern using the same paper by joining them. Now I have a smaller pack of paper here, which is the copy printing paper, right? The copyright printing paper, and this one here, so I use this as well to do my smaller, like for add pieces to pattern, or to join a paper together for do a drafting. You know, this small one I use it for do smaller project instead of using my big roll of paper, so I won't waste paper because right now paper very expensive and I can't afford to waste. So I will measure this one for you and I will give you the measurement. Now this one here is 8.5, right? God, this is a smaller version by 11. So this is 8.5 by 11. Now this is a smaller size to this bigger size that I have here. So that's why I use most, you would see me using this paper on my fabric, on my drafting. When I drafting is because this paper more it's less cost, it's more cheaper, and I save a lot of wastage. You see, this is the half size as this one that I am using in my package. Them loops up because I have these paper last me a very long time. Each one of these package having 500 sheets of paper. Now the large size paper is 2 times the size of the smaller one. So I will put it on, let you see for yourself. It's 2 times the smaller one, the large size one. So if I fold this paper in half, I would get two for the small one. Let me just fold it in half for you and place it. So you see, I get two of the small one from the big paper. So that's why you'd see me using, sometimes I use the small, sometimes I use the big, the larger sheet for do the drafting of my pattern, and I can join these paper together and I can get my design on the road. I can get my start my design. So most time in my tutorial, you may see me using this paper because it less costly. I don't have to pay too much for this guy. Buy a pack of this paper, I would have 500 sheet in one pack of this paper. So I have two pack of these paper, so I have 1000 sheet of paper plus the small one is 500, so there's 15, right? 1500 sheets of paper I have here compared to the roll of paper that you're buying, because you have a lot of wastage on the rolls of paper that you're buying. So I would prefer to use most of these paper. You will see me using a lot of this in my drafting, and then I would get some glue and I would stick that paper together, right? And I would use that. Now I have rolls of paper as well. I have this brown paper here which I use as well for do my bigger project. So if I'm doing like a top with button front or flare and these things, I would transfer it to this paper here if I want to, right? So I still have my rolls of paper, but that's just like big project, like for make like skirt and dress and these things. I have this brown one here. I also have this white one that I'm going to show you. Well, I use this white one here for trace over. So for instance, if I want to copy this writing or to copy the pattern, I use this particular paper strictly for copying pattern. So let's say I have this bodice and I want a next one and write for it, and I want to copy this bodice. I just lay the paper over it because you can see it's a thin see-through paper, and I would trace around it. So when I finish trace around it, I would get my pattern, right? So I use this one more for do for copy over my pattern or trace over my pattern. I have this next white one as well. I use only the white thin ones I use to do my tracing over my pattern. So I always look for the white thin ones them to do trace over, because you see more plainly what you're tracing and you get all the markings. So the white one I only use for tracing, right? Now I have a kind of brown burgundy-ish looking one here, which I'm going to show you. This is this roll here I have here. Now I am not too happy. I'm not too thing with this one. I really like this one here because this one here is the butcher paper. You can see how this one kind of thick, and the color is a leak proof paper. So it's like, let's say I want to copy a top onto this paper, and let's say I want to copy the dart, right? The dart I don't get it, don't leak through. So this they would more use call this the butcher paper, and they'd more use this like for selling like meat and this kind of thing. They would more like oily stuff they would use this for, right? Because this don't leak. So I don't really like this one here. So that's why you won't see me using this one here too much. This brown one I don't really use it too much. I prefer the white one. The white ones them that I use, and the brown one as well. My tracing paper I prefer those. I prefer the printing sheet, and I prefer this brown paper. But the big thick roll, the maroon one, I don't really like it. It's kind of, you don't get, you don't get all your pattern them. Like if you want to copy it or trace it, you don't get it. So I prefer all these that you see I put in this 500 printing sheet, the A3 paper, and those other rest of pattern paper. So I hope I was able to make this video clear and help you to understand that you can get cheaper paper to buy and use this paper. It's more economical, so that you will save a lot of money on this paper. So I just let me make this short video for you so you can see my paper that I'm using. So thank you, and you have a wonderful day, and look out for more video, and I will see you soon in my next upcoming video. So take care, enjoy, and bye bye.